Our topic for today it is rational exponents. This class belongs to college algebra, so welcome. For any non-negative real numbers, A and B, and any natural number. So we have these kind of rules. Actually, I am using a radical. Using a radical. It's very important. Remember, I'm going to remember you these kind of rules before I'm going to show you some examples how work with the rational exponents. So this rule is like this. You have, for instance, a to the n is not square. It's the radical n to the n power is equals a. See, another one important to remember, if it's a radical n of a n, this is equals a2. Another rule important to review, when you have a to the radical n times to radical bn, this is equals AB radical n. D is another rule. When you divide radical nb divided by the the same thing. Actually here A and B, this is equals radical n of A divided by B. See, when B it is different of 0. The last one, the last rule, great to remember, is the radical m of radical n, n here, n a, this is equals mn, so radical n times n, radical of a mn. Those it's mandatory to review, to remember before to solve a couple of problems that I have for today for our class for college algebra. So we are going to start. We're going to the main point that is a to the m divided by n. This is equals a to the 1 over n power times m power. So this is our rule for today. Actually, this is our rule for today. So one example one, we are going to use this. Example 1. Number 1. Let's do this problem. We have 125 to the third power. The third power. This is going to be equals. Let's do this. Radical. Here you must write it third is 125 here to the second power, everything. So this is going to be equals 5 to the second power. The answer is 25. See? We have another problem, another example, like using this rule, this power rule. or the exponents rule, right? Exponents rule, we have x to the 5.5 power. This is equals like this, x to the 5th power, right? Where x is greater or equals than 0. So that's the answer. This is a couple of problems for this kind, the rule, the low, the exponents, the low exponents. Let me erase this and give it to you another rule, very important. This rule is like this: a to the m divided by times. Let's do times mn. This is equals am to the 1n power. See, for all, this is for all integers. For all integers, m and n, and all non-negative numbers. Okay? So let's do example number 3. Example number 3. Number 2. Yeah, it's a number 2. We did number 1. So example number 2, we have let's write this problem here. So 8 is 27 to the 4th power. So simplify development or solve the problem. We are going to have here 27, see, 27 to the 1/3 power here to the 4th power. So you solve this here inside, you are going to have 3 to the 4th power equals actually 81. That's the answer. So another problem belongs to this kind of the rational exponents. We have 4 to the 5.5 power. This is going to be equals 4 and 1.5 to the 5th power. So this is the 2 to the 5th power. You the solver is equals 32. See? That's the answer. That's the answer. It's those couple of problems. Let's go on other kind, different examples. So this is number 2. Number 3. So number 3. In number 3, I have another example. Right? 81 to the 5th 4 to the 5/4 times. So we're going to multiply by 4 to the negative 3 and 3/2. 3/2. Yeah, this is a multiplication. So equals is going to be here. This is going to be 3. Actually 54 to the 5th power here times 2 to the 2nd power to the negative 3.5. See? So simplify. Now we are going to have 3 to the 5th power times 2 to the negative 3. You solve this, you're going to have here the answer. The answer will be 3 to the 5th power divided by 8. That's the answer. It's example 3. Let's go, keep it them. So example number 4. Let's do another example. Here, let's just pay attention in the process. 3m to the 5/6 divided by y to the 3/4. everything to the second power, times, look at this, times, let's do right here a to the third power, here, let's write m to the sixth power, everything to the third, two third. So this is going to be equals here 9m to the 5/3 divided by y to the 3/2 times 4y to the second power divided by m to the fourth power. Okay, now if you simplify this, you're going to have here the answer is going to be 36 y and a half, 1.5 power divided by m to the 7/3. So this is our answer. This is our conclusion. So this is the way to expound, to work with rational exponent, different way. But remember, you need to keep in your mind some rules, or remember some exponents rules. Some exponents rules you have to memorize, or just practice. You are going to be able to learn once you practice the problems. Just do it once and again, and you will be master in mathematics. So thank you so much for watching.